So I've got an Infiniti Q50 and I'm gonna install the courtesy lights that have the emblem of the car displayed. So I bought this online on eBay. So basically you can see that it's going to replace the stock light. It's kind of weird on this car, at least what they've done is half the lights are LED and half of them are their typical regular style bulbs. This car also has the light up kit for the wheel striker. So basically it's very straightforward. All I'm going to do in here is use a flathead screwdriver. I want to be careful. I'm going to slide it in here and pop this out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install the new one. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. That's it. And it pops out. You just push down on the lever here. That comes out. The wire on this side is pretty short for some reason. I'm going to go ahead and install the new one. This is an LED style. Basically pops right back in. Not much of a light, but it does show the Infiniti logo now on the floor. So that was it. Just as straightforward as that can be. They're pretty much available for all different cars and different makes online. Just eBay. I think I paid like $9 for this thing. So there's there are other vendors that are selling them for less, but they didn't have a logo shown. So anyways, I hope that this shows you a simple change that you can do to your vehicle without spending much money at all. This is something that's available on more high-end cars, or an extra feature that you kind of have to pay for, but you can't beat this for the price. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.